Maria Nepembe is living a soft life. Maria Nepembe has definitely left much green with her envy after vlogging her recent experience in the United States. While she was there, she had the time to visit both New York City and Austin, Texas. Maria linked up with her best friend, Abby, who took her to all the good spots found in New York. Abby then took her to The Edge, which is a rooftop tourist attraction that boasts magnificent views of the New York City skyline. It was funny to watch the two girlfriends get lost in the hectic New York City subway, eventually calling an Uber to pick them up. Maria then left Nick and flew down to Austin, Texas, to visit her best friend Bonnie Bassie. Bonnie is a famous TV actor who rose to fame during his time as one of the housemates in Big Brother Africa Season 8, 2013, and this when he and Maria met.